Let's turn you over. Let's turn you over and give you some tummy time. Let's put those arms out. What you gonna do now? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Where are you going, huh? Where are you going? It's good to rest. It's good to have a little rest. Where are you going? Where are you going? Are you going over? Going back the other way. Going over? Going back the other way. What do you think? Are you just swimming with one leg? Is that what you're doing? Kick, kick, kick. You did it! You did it! Congratulations! What a good job! What a good job you did! What a good job you did! What a good job! Should we try it again? Should we try it again?